This onion, raw honey, and garlic blend is often called a powerful natural antibiotic cough syrup, especially during cold and flu season. Onions help loosen mucus, garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, and raw honey soothes the throat and helps pull those compounds together. You're going to let this sit for 12 to 24 hours in a mason jar so the onion and garlic release their juices into the honey. That liquid is what's traditionally used as cough syrup. Be sure to burp the jar once a day to release natural gases and prevent pressure buildup. It's simple ingredients, it's traditional cold season support.